Hello guys, this is um ATV versus MX versus ATV Alive. So yes, I have play. Okay, I guess not. So we're just gonna go into single player and short track. Free ride? No, okay. So these are natural. Let's go short track. Go with this. Rookie. 7 laps. Let's do 10. MX 125. Cool. There's a pause. Oh. So yeah. Whoa, whoa. Oh crap. Whoa. So I actually really love dirt bikes, and as you guys know, I'm trying to get a GoPro and set up on my helmet and stuff so I can make moto vlogs. I ride a SSR 110 pit bike. Yeah, but it depends. Soon I might be upgrading to another Chinese motorcycle, but yeah, for now, that was my very first bike I've ever rode, and I've had it for half a year maybe. So yeah, it runs fine. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna quit. Yes. And I'm gonna go play free ride. Because that might seem a little bit better for you guys, and yeah. So let's go on single player, let's go all the way over free ride. Jumping. When jumping, aim for the downwards slope for the landing. When landing, adjust the... Okay. I'm guessing this is a 250. Or actually, I kind of know it's a 250. Oh my gosh, this is our first person? It's really... Wow. Ooh. Oh, I'm gonna get out of that. Oh, that's a nice camera. Angle. Hey, my tires are deep down in the sand. Wait, can I do the water? Yes, I can. Oh, crap, that's deep. I love how my bike's a 2-stroke. Oh, crap. How did I land that? Challenger? go across it. Oh no, really across it. What's over here? Am I allowed over here? I see some first person. Can I do stoppies? Yes, I can. Wait, what happened? I want to do a stoppie. No? Yeah, I did a stoppie. Oh, back break. Oh my gosh, how did I land that? That was a sick jump. Yeah, I landed something. Uh-oh, that, nope, okay. What about a whip? Can I do a whip? How will I climb? You're a two-stroke. Yes, you can do whips in this. Oh, man. Oh, crap. How am I still on? Go for epic whip. No? Okay. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Oh, no, not gonna do that. Damn, dude. See? It like bogs down. Cool. No, how did I fall back on a wheelie? What's the big longest jump? Hang time? Okay, let's hit one more big jump.
Thunder! What are you doing?
Gosh, I'm making a video.
Oh.
So yeah, that was my dad, but I'm sorry. I'm so freaking land in a wheel. I want to do like flip. Can I do a flip? Okay, let's hit these rocks. Okay, well, I'm flying now.